Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miles. Thanks for watching. In this video, we're going to do a comparison between LED turn signals. I got two different kinds here. These are from China or some kind of knockoff LED turn signals. These are from Rogue Rider Industries. They are the SIGZ. So I'm going to open these up and we're going to do some comparing here. Okay, this is the eBay set with the two rear and the two front and the four lenses. To do a comparison between the two, you can see that this one is black in the background and this one is white. I actually preferred to get the black one. The SIGZ one looks all around just better craftsmanship. And as you can see here with these, the eBay one does not have a top to it where you can put your fingers on it and turn it once you put it in the socket. And the SIGZ does. They did extra by putting that on there to make it an easier install altogether. But they are very alike also. So we're going to put them in and we're going to compare the two. They both equally look as bright. So this side is going to be the SIGZ. This is going to be the eBay one. The eBay ones are on the rear. So that's it, guys. The SIGZ are going to be easier to install, and they're made with a little better craftsmanship with the black backboards and everything. But the eBay ones actually surprised me because they were not bad, and they were $50 less. So depending on how long they last, you know, I'm going to keep these just in case, but I'm happy with the SIGZ on the bike. And I'm happy with the eBay ones on the brakes and the rear turn signals and whatnot. So that worked out pretty well. So thanks for watching my content. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope this gave you guys a decent comparison. Honestly, they're pretty close to me. RRI SIGZ was just a little bit better. So you guys take care. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.